Hey, aloha everybody. This is Brad, the lawn sauce, coming to you from Honolulu, Hawaii. I'm really excited today as I'm participating in the KJ Ketterling Elevate Your Sprinkler Bucket Challenge. So I have all the parts needed to build my bucket. I chose out some beautiful plants, so let's go ahead and build it. The first thing I'm going to be doing is drilling out a hole in the back of the bucket. And this is so that my supply line can come in. I will also be drilling some drainage holes. Okay, great. Now these are the parts that I'll be using. And if you go to elevateyoursprinkler.com, Vince the lawn engineer has a great video there explaining how to sign up for the challenge and how to build your bucket. But in this particular case, I have a 4-inch pop-up riser extension, a 90. I also have a PVC to drip irrigation adapter and a drip irrigation to hose bib connector that I'll be using. The build is super easy. So I just put this and I slide this through the hole that I made. Now that I have it in place, I'm going to center it in my bucket, and I got some stones that I'm going to be placing at the bottom. Next is my dirt. Okay, I'm going to fit it a little ways up. I'm going to place this cup over the sprinkler head. And I measured the inside to about where 3 inches is. We want it about 3 inches below the top of this bucket so that we can elevate our bucket a little later. And I'm going to fill the rest up with some soil. So the flowers that I chose to add to my bucket are petunias, a marigold, and this particular flower, which is called begonia bada bing. Can't go wrong. That name just drew me in. I had to get it. So I'm going to go ahead and plant these one by one. So I really suck at gardening. I really do. But my wife's really good at it. Okay, my marigold. I'm just teasing the roots a little. And last but not least, the bada bings. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. All right, that looks awesome right there. Now we're just gonna sprinkle a little soil on the top. Okay. Fill her in. Now I'm not too worried about the soil falling on my grass because I need to top dress this area. Now that I got all my flowers in place, I'm going to put in my hose bib adapter. Okay, now that my flowers are in place, I just gave it a little bit of water. I left the cup in the middle, and we're going to remove this on the day of the event. I have my KAP-IT risers on standby, and I'm excited to see what becomes of it. All right, guys, this is the lawn sauce. Aloha.